Easter. What the is that? Because I've had my girlfriend and I've had my daughter talking about doing an egg hunt.
You've got to be careful saying egg hunt in Scottish, haven't you, as well?
Egg hunts. Egg hunts. Egg hunts. Do you know there's another thing that Glaswegians can't say? There's no burglar alarm. Right? I'm trying to say burglar alarm, but ironically, right? See if you're Glaswegian, you can't say burglar alarm.
Is that why robbery so high in Glasgow? Because no one's got a burglar alarm. They're going to someone go, oh, what can I get for you? Ah, to have a burglar alarm.
They're calling the police. The burglar alarm's gone off.
Sorry, what's gone off there? You're being buggered.
Burglar alarm.
It's just burglar alarm. It's just the irony of the fact that a Glaswegian can't say the one thing that can stop their house from getting robbed.